Thank you, Shivji, Shiv sir, for coming. Taking your time and busy time and coming, meeting us.
It's a pleasure.
We are meeting. I am meeting Shiva in Canary Wharf, London, Central London. Thank you.
So I am having lunch with my beloved senior TSK Singh. So we are in Mallow in Canary Wharf. So this is basically vegetarian restaurant. So it's all typical dishes, vegetarian dishes restaurant in Canary Wharf. So where we had lunch today with my senior college friend TSK Singh, so and his colleague. So this is very nice restaurant. And ambience is very nice, excellent ambience. So we have just finished lunch, almost like late lunch. Now I am going back. We are going back to Westminster, Jubilee Line. So this is Canary Wharf, excellent place in London, Central London. So this is the only place we feel like we are in Singapore station. So just under Canary Wharf Towers. Now I have to go to Westminster, where Parliament is located, and 10 Downing is located. So I will take this train, Jubilee Line train, and I go to Westminster. This is the train in Canary Wharf station. So Jubilee Line is very good, excellent. So Jubilee Line. This is Westminster station. There is one big documentary in YouTube or big National Geographic channel about how they have built this station just under the Parliament, Westminster. I think that is 300 or 400 years old Parliament. So they have dug entire portion here and they have built a beautiful. Step number 4 we have to take to go to House of Parliament and Westminster Abbey, London Eye and everything here. So this is a beautiful station, Westminster station. So I'm just go out to see. We can directly see the Westminster, Big Ben, everything here in front of the. This is Big Ben, clock tower. So we see these clock towers everywhere in India, each and every city or town. So that much famous this clock tower is. It's called Big Ben. So that is House of Parliament. So House of Commons, House of Lords. So like our Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. This is half and half of red route, but I am not taking this. It's a golden tour. It's a different. It is not big bus. So this is the main entrance for this Parliament. It's called Westminster. So we see so many tourists here. So there are hundreds, thousands. You can see the famous red bus of London. So this is London's cab. It used to be black color. So you can see black color cab also. They are also very famous, iconic cabs. See. Beautiful building, excellent architecture. So this is Westminster Abbey, where coronation of kings and queens take place. Even latest Prince Charles coronation took place in Westminster Abbey. So ఇక్కడ కింగ్స్ని మామూలుగా క్వీన్స్ని ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళ కిరీటాలు పెట్టి వాళ్ళను కింగ్స్గా క్వీన్స్గా డిక్లేర్ చేస్తారు. ఇది వెస్ట్మినిస్టర్ అబ్బే అంటారు. సో ఇట్స్ బేసికలీ చర్చ్. You can see the British flag. So this big complex, very big complex. Westminster Abbey. So this is the entrance to Westminster Abbey. So this is very important place in London because Prime Minister's house, London Parliament is called Westminster, Westminster Abbey, all are located here. So his Chancellor's home next to Prime Minister's home. Chancellor is and London Eye, very important. Mandela statue. So there are different statues of people. Gandhiji, yeah, I can see Gandhiji statue here. Excellent. So to see Mahatma Gandhi. I don't know, Beaconsfield. So I am going towards West 10 Downing Street, official residence of Britain's UK's Prime Minister. Now Keith Palmer. This is Veterans Day. So today is a Veterans Day. This is the official residence of British Prime Minister 10 Downing Street. 10 Downing Street. Prime Minister ఇక్కడ ఉంటాడు, బట్ ఆయన ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ లేడు. యూఎస్లోనే ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు. ఇప్పుడు కింగ్ వస్తున్నాడు ఇక్కడికి. సో అందుకే ఇవన్నీ అక్కడ ఫ్లాగ్ వేస్తాడు ఆయన వచ్చి. అందుకే ఇక్కడ అన్ని అరేంజ్మెంట్స్ చేస్తున్నారు వీళ్ళు. సో అది లోపల ఉంటుంది, మనం అక్కడికి వెళ్తే కనిపిస్తుంది 10th అంటే డోర్ నెంబర్ 10. But now we can't go there, so because of this. చూడండి రష్ ఎట్లుందో. సో ఎప్పుడు ఇట్లే ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ రష్. వీకెండ్ ఎందుకు ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, ఇవాళ థర్స్డే కదా కొంచెం తక్కువ ఉంది. అదే సాటర్డే సండే అంటే ఫుల్ రష్ ఉంటుంది. సో అందుకే బెటర్ వీకెండ్ అవాయిడ్ చేయాలి ఇక్కడ. సో లైక్ ఎనీ ప్లేస్ వీకెండ్స్. This is Westminster Pier, that is well known giant wheel, London Eye. It's called London Eye. So it is a well known monument. I have used that. I have taken that 3-4 times. So I am not taking today. So it is a bit of walking there. This is Thames River. So we can I have also done Thames River cruise on Thames. So it is not a good water. It is just polluted water. So there is also an aquarium there. That also I have done in the building, London Aquarium. So this is very slow. It takes I think one round like 25-30 minutes. So we can see the entire London చూడొచ్చు, north, south, east, west. So but slow ఇరుతుంది, 25-30 minutes ఇరుతుంది. Big bus I have taken in London several times. I have taken this big bus. So that's why I am not taking today. So even that I am avoiding big bus now. So this is very famous, heart of London. So all monuments are here. So we can just walk Trafalgar Square, Piccadilly Circus. They're all like 15-20 minutes walk. You can see Trafalgar Square in Indian Bollywood movies. So they're all world class monuments, and even Buckingham Palace. So they're all nearby. I have all visited earlier, so I am not visiting this time. Even this London Eye, there will be big queue for the tickets. So yeah, this station is 3 levels. So 3 times we have to use escalators to go down to platforms. So we can estimate the depth of the train station is very deep. So they have properly planned, and they have going towards Lord Station, that is St. John's Wood, using Jubilee line. So I have to take one more escalator. So I think this is 3rd escalator. So to go to station. So we can see that we can estimate the depth of the station, tube station, under Westminster, under Parliament. This Jubilee line, it is going to Willesden Green. I got down at St. John's Wood. I want to go to Lord's Cricket Stadium. ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.